Hello, it's Ronnie Boy. I tell you something. I got some comments and messages. People want me to tell them how to farm. You gotta farm your own way. But if you want to do it right, I ain't gonna say listen to Ronnie Boy. It depends where you live, what part of the country, how you can grow your crops. Yeah. Okay. Now, someone had asked me, I can do so well at it and have my nice buildings, my nice tractors and everything. Okay. It's just not knowing how to run a farm. I'm not a businessman in any way. If you're going to be a dairy farmer, you have to know animal health. You have to know, yes, how to fix equipment. You can't afford to buy it all the time or pay for services to fix your equipment. But something came to mind to me yesterday. Someone asked me, how do you know how to feed your cows to get such good production out of them? Well, see, I've been to the University of Wisconsin. No, I didn't take animal health. I took human biology. And that transformed into, after I got out of the university, I, of course, went farming. I got this farm. And my veterinary that comes to my farm taught me a whole lot. He says, you know a whole lot. He says, I don't have to show you how to feed your cows. Obviously you know how to do it. You get good milk production. And he said, now the things that go wrong with your cows, I'll come and fix them, but I'm going to teach you how to do it. He says, I don't have time to come out here and do this for you all the time. I got some farmers that don't know nothing. And he says, you know how to do it. I said, well, show me how. And I do most of my own veterinarian. It's my cows, and I care for them a whole lot. Now, there is something to be said about that. If you want to be a farmer and don't know what you're getting into, you have to know everything about herd health, fertilizers, land, crop management, what you're going to need for the next year. You're going to need, I'm going to start on the other hand, ecological stuff, land control. You're going to have to know mechanics, how to fix your tractors, manure spreaders. Everything. I don't figure I'm all that smart, but I know how to do it. Now, if anybody thinks I'm just a dumb farmer, hey, come spend a year in my farm. I'll tell you. Oh, the most important, not the most important thing, but thing that is very important, silo unloaders, barn cleaners, pigs. You have to eat. Anybody who thinks farming is easy, there's something I want to say, but I'm not going to do it. Kiss my ass! There, I said it. Okay, all of those of you who understand what I'm talking about, Send me a comment. Those of you who don't understand anything what I'm saying, send me a comment. Alright, this is a Ronnie Boy Show. I'm getting a little pissed off about people picking on me for being a farmer.